After tracking their screen time, students will reflect on their data and analyze how much time they spend on active versus passive activities. They will write a short essay discussing their findings and what they learned about their habits. Define active versus passive screen time. Explain active screen time. Define active screen time as engaging in productive activities like studying, creating content, learning, or meaningful communication. Example, video calls. Explain passive screen time. Define passive screen time as activities that require less interaction, such as scrolling social media, watching videos, or browsing. Discuss the importance of balance. Emphasize how balancing active and passive screen time can improve digital well being, productivity, and personal development. Track screen time. Select a tracking period. Decide on a tracking period, example 1 week, to get a meaningful sample of daily screen time habits. Use tracking tools. Guide students to use screen time tracking tools, example screen time on iOS, digital well-being on Android, or other third-party apps. Categorize activities. Instruct students to categorize their screen time data by activity type, example, social media, streaming, education, communication, and label each as active or passive. Analyze and organize data. Calculate time spent on each category. Students should calculate the total time they spend on each category, example, hours per day or week on social media, communication, streaming. Compare active versus passive screen time. Summarize the total time spent on active versus passive activities. This helps students see the overall balance between the two. Identify patterns. Ask students to look for patterns, such as the time of day they tend to use passive activities or which activities occupy the most screen time. Reflect on findings. Consider how activities affect well being. Encourage students to think about how they felt during or after each type of activity. Example, energized, tired, distracted. Identify surprising insights. Reflect on any surprises in their data, like unexpected time spent on passive activities or noticing high screen time at specific times of the day. List areas for improvement. Ask students to think of small adjustments they could make to improve their screen time habits, such as reducing passive use or increasing active engagement. Write the essay, Introduction. Start with a brief introduction about the purpose of tracking their screen time and distinguishing between active and passive use. Data summary. Summarize their findings, noting key statistics. Example, I spent an average of 5 hours a day on my phone, with 3 hours on passive activities and 2 hours on active ones. Reflection on patterns and impact. Discuss any patterns noticed in their screen time data, such as times when they're more likely to engage in passive activities and how these patterns impact their productivity or well being. Personal insights and next steps. Conclude with insights they gained and specific changes they'd like to make to create a healthier balance between active and passive screen time. Example, setting limits for social media, planning breaks, or increasing time for learning activities. Revise and edit, peer review. Optional students can share their essays with a peer for feedback, focusing on clarity and the depth of reflection. Proofread, check for grammar, spelling, and coherence to ensure the essay is polished.